Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to win fuel in driving. First, focus on completing your daily missions. They often provide a steady supply of fuel. Next, keep an eye out for opportunities to watch short video ads within the game. These usually grant you a quick fuel boost. Finally, always check for special in-game events, as they frequently offer generous fuel rewards for participation. These methods will help keep your tank full. Daily missions are a reliable source of fuel, resetting each day with fresh objectives. Make sure to check them regularly and complete as many as you can. Watching video advertisements is another quick way to top up your tank. These ads appear periodically, and each one usually gives you a small but valuable amount of fuel, often 1 or 2 units. It's a simple way to gain fuel without much effort. Participating in special in-game events is crucial for winning larger quantities of fuel. These events often have unique challenges and offer substantial bonuses for successful completion. Aim for high scores or specific achievements within these events to maximize your fuel earnings. Also, remember to connect your game account to ensure all your hard-earned progress and rewards, including fuel, are securely saved. To truly maximize your fuel gains, practice driving carefully to avoid unnecessary crashes, which can consume fuel. Upgrading your car can also improve its fuel efficiency, meaning you'll use less fuel per trip. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. By combining these strategies, you'll always have enough fuel for your driving adventures and be ready for anything.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.